the warm and cold air system spawned 2 tornadoes in our area yesterday, one in Union Grove.
And this is the result. That's where 12 News Shelby Croft is. And Shelby, a November tornado, it's rare.
Very rare, Kath. I can say I have never covered a November tornado in my career. And the last time one hit Wisconsin, I wasn't even alive. So you can imagine how the town of Union Grove is just shocked tonight. Especially, take a look at this damage behind me. This is what they're seeing all over the town. The town of Union Grove is buzzing today. The air is full of chainsaws and chatter about Monday's rare tornado.
I knew we were in trouble as we were going downstairs, and I saw pumpkins rolling across the lawn that were 12 to 18 inches in diameter. Normally those don't move.
And pumpkins may have been the smallest thing tossed around. Huge trees snapped, signs flew off in the wind, flags were left tattered, hanging from bent poles, and pieces of buildings landed in yards down the block.
We got the cable company here working on lines. We lost the garage and its contents, so I'm trying to salvage anything out of there that we can.
A major cleanup is underway. Utility crews are moving from one repair job to the next, and the National Weather Service is doing a sweep of the damage.
November 22nd tornado is highly unusual in any year in Wisconsin. This is the first tornado we've had in November going back to 1971.
But for a brief moment, conditions were just right.
Any time of the year you get very warm, moist air and strong jet stream winds, you're going to have tornadoes.
The tornado started spinning in Kenosha County and took an 11.5-mile path through Union Grove before falling apart around Highway 20 and I-94. No one was hurt, but it left some serious damage. Meteorologists say the calendar shouldn't be a concern when there's a tornado warning.
Anytime you hear that tornado word, forget about the month of the year, folks. You know, it's a possibility, and we mean business.
Now, Racine County seems to be a target this year for tornadoes. Coming up tonight at 6, how many this area has seen, and does the National Weather Service know why? Reporting live in Union Grove, Shelby Croft, WISN 12 News.